Hello? Yeah, I know about the special, the bird special. Yeah, what do you mean we're filming it right now? I'm at my desk and I'm in my house. What do you mean right? He's right behind me, isn't he? Hello, I'm Dr. Nature. Birds are remarkable animals. Their ability of flight, their gracefulness soaring through the sky, and their beautiful chirping make them an astonishing example of nature's beauty. Today, on this International Geographic special, we will go through the past, present, and future of birds to determine why they are so important to our ecosystem. Over 50 billion birds exist today, and they are no risk of going anywhere, but certain environments rely on them more than others. Certain environments, such as Eno's Pond in New Jersey. Today, you will join two field reporters live, and they will show you the importance of birds and how to birdwatch for those of you who may be interested at home in getting into bird watching. We go live to our field reporters. We're good? I did the scene. Can I? Okay.
So that's kind of how I almost knew George last year.
I think you were pretty justified.
Hey guys, we're rolling.
You didn't get that, did you?
No, we're good. We're good.
Okay. I'm Bird Watcher.
And I'm Finding Birds. Welcome to our program, Finding Birds and Bird Watching, with Bird Watcher and Finding Birds. For the next 10 minutes, we'll be walking you through the importance, history, and science of birds and how our relationship with them is important.
We're here at Eno's Pond, County Park in Lacey Township, New Jersey, and we're gonna go to this beautiful wooded area and teach you some tips and tricks on how to bird watch for yourself.
And I'm Lester, the cameraman. I'm like second day working.
You're not part of this.
What?
Come on, let's go.
Fine.
Let's go. You're gonna cut that out, right?
We're live.
Let's just go.
One of the most important tips for bird watching is to just, watch. Keep distractions to a minimum. Keep your phone silent and in your pocket. Instead of scanning social media, or whatever you kids do these days, try scanning the treetops for movement. If at first you don't see any movement, my friend Burr over here has brought some binoculars for us. Hey, you talked about this.
I'm sorry.
I was just talking about keeping distractions to a minimum.
Yeah, that's a good one. So with the binoculars, like my friend Fine was saying, you want to scan the treetops and look for birds. Look for movement in the treetops. You can even do a digiscope, which is where you take your phone and you take a picture through the binocular lenses. Lester, are you getting this?
No. Do you guys see that over there?
See what?
You guys don't see it? It's right there.
Lester, we're on a short schedule here. Come on, let's
Dude, come on. What are you doing?
Fine, my bad.
Birds, like almost all animals, have a very important part to play in our lovely planet Earth. They're an instrumental gear in the complicated machine that is nature. Every year, birds are responsible for eating 400 to 500 tons of insects. And even with birds to keep them in check, insects are practically everywhere on our planet, and one can only imagine how many would exist without birds here to take care of population control. They are basically a much more efficient and much more environmentally friendly approach than insecticides. On top of all that, birds are basically perfect vessels for seed dispersal. They fly long distances at regular times of year, taking with them seeds from all over the world. Many plants rely entirely on birds for seed dispersal, and some even rely on certain birds, such as the hummingbird, for pollination. The effect that birds have on our carefully balanced ecosystem truly cannot be understated.
A good way to call out birds that might be in hiding is by luring them out with a bird call. If you're an expert like I am, you might be able to just make the calls by yourself, but it's much easier to just play a sound from your phone, which we'll do now.
Birds use calls to warn other birds of predators, let the predator know that they're not going to get an easy meal. The birds also use calls for mating. So by playing the right call, we can lure the birds out and make them easier to see.
Do you guys hear that?
What?
Is that a bear? What is that?
I don't think it is, but we should probably move just in case.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
All right, let's go.
You know, my favorite bird's gotta be a blue jay. Really? People sort is so much better. Dude, no way you just said that. My bird would destroy your bird in flight.
There's no way.
Dude, yeah, I
Oh, you do
swear.
that? You do that?
Where? What?
Holy evapotranspiration. It's a shoe-built storm.
What?
What?
There's no shoebill store. Bro, don't those things live in like
Dude,
Africa?
There's like one in the United States. It's in a zoo.
Where's he going? I guess we gotta go find him, right? Let's go. God. Finding birds is just really dropping the ball here. We'll be filming an uptight production. He's over here just going chasing after birds that aren't here.
This is completely ridiculous.
I know, right?
I never want to work with this guy again.
You know what? I'll talk to the higher ups. We'll see what we can do.
My lawyer will be hearing this.
All right.
Oh, dude, look at his jacket.
It's his jacket. Let's go. Huh. Where'd he go? What's that in his pocket? What are these? So
I've never seen this before.
it's a feather?
Maybe like a cardinal, but this is massive.
It's a big cardinal.
While birds are amazingly adaptable creatures, unfortunately, many of them are especially vulnerable to the environmental effects caused by humans. Ever since the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, bird populations have declined due to mass urbanization. As more wildlife is destroyed to build homes for an increasing population, many birds have gone extinct due to habitat loss. Industrialization has polluted the air with harmful chemicals, causing many birds to die from the air pollution. If they can't adapt to their changed environment, they have no other option than to die. The decline of these birds is not just a tragedy for those species, but a tragedy for Mother Nature herself. The less birds there are, the more insects and pests there are. And the more insects and pests there are, the less plants there are. The decline of the bird population is the decline of the entire ecosystem. But even as this problem looms over us, we are powerless, or perhaps just ignorant. Too ignorant to stop the advance of this so-called progress.
Yeah, so the viewers at home, Fine's method of bird watching wasn't really that good. He wasn't quiet and he wasn't slow, and that's what you need to do when you're bird watching here in nature. So let's see if we can hear any other bird calls. What was that?
Is that a chicken?
Dude, a chicken? Absolutely not. Give me the cards. Give me the cards. Stupid cards. No. Oh, there we go. Osprey.
Oh, I was
Not
close.
osprey.
I was pretty close.
Not really. Ospreys are really cool birds, actually. You know, the word osprey actually means birds of prey. So these large raptors will actually just hang around these lakes, rivers, and coastal waterways like we have here. In order to hunt, they will hover over shallow spots of water until they find fish. And once they locate the fish, they dive 50 miles an hour, feet first, into the water. And they pierce through the fish, and they take off. And they fly, if you can see, back to their nests that they have over there. They're actually really good hunters. They're usually, every 1 in 4 attempts, they're catching fish. Some are even up to 70% successful. Let's see if we can hear any other birds. Ah!
What was that? Is that a screeching owl?
Dude, it's like 9 in the morning. It's not an owl. It sounded like Fine, actually.
Huh.
Probably go check that out.
Yeah.
Fine. Are you there? Finding birds. Oh wait, I just realized his name's like Finding Birds.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of ironic.
Wait, did you hear that noise?
Dude, why does it matter? It's not fine.
Wait, it's getting louder. It's getting louder.
What's that behind you?
What? Burr? Burr! Burr! Mr. Watcher! Burr! What in the climax community is going on? I don't know what that thing is. I don't know what it did to Fine and Burr, but I know one thing. It's a bird, and birds are scared of human noises. So if I keep talking like this and keep panicking and going crazy, maybe the bird won't come after me. And this Burr's hat. And there's more that It's his phone. Oh no. Oh no! Ah!
Tiny little human. It isn't so easy when the roles of predator and prey are reversed. Now is it? Wasn't such a leisurely activity when the bird was the one watching you, when your own tricks were played against you.
What is this?
You may have audio recordings of us birds, but I can mimic your kind too, like maybe the scream of one of your friends. That's right, it was me, all along. And now I know what you're thinking. You don't deserve this fate. You've been helping birds this whole time by filming this video, raising awareness. Puny little human, you're blind to your own flaws. Your vision is obscured by your hubris. Well, let me put it into perspective for you. The Carolina parakeet, the Eskimo curlew, the passenger pigeon, do those names ring any bells to you? I used to know them all so well, but now they're dead. The passenger pigeon was the first to go. They were so close to humans, used to call you your friends. I told them it would only end in betrayal. I wish I wasn't oh so right. Carolina parakeet was next. Their homes, ripped from the ground to make way for shopping malls and highways and pretty little suburban homes. And then the Eskimo curlew. Maybe the others could have been excused as an accident. Their death, their murder, was purely accidental, caused by your ignorance rather than your bloodlust. But the Eskimo curlew was shot from the skies by your own hands. For food sometimes, but most of the time only for sport. That all makes me a very angry bird. Those of us who can't adapt to your changes will die. Survival of the fittest, I believe you call it. Well, I'm sorry, human, but I am the fittest. And I guess what you can call what I'm about to do, natural selection.
Is anyone there? Did anyone get this? Anyone?